Build wealth that not only secures your future but can be passed down through generations. In India, real estate is one of the most trusted ways to build long term wealth today. I will show you exactly how to start and grow real estate portfolio that will support your family for years to come. I'm Durgam Satyanarayana. Let's dive into building generational wealth with real estate in India. Now, why real estate first? Property appreciation in India has shown strong growth over the years, especially in developing cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, and beyond. Land and property values are expected to rise in these growth corridors, making real estate a powerful wealth building tool. Secondly, let's talk about passive rental income. Once you invest in rental properties, they can provide regular income for decades. Rental yields in India might average around 2 to 4%, but over time, this steady income builds up, helps your family stay financially secure. Finally, we can't ignore the tax benefits. When you own rental property, you can claim deductions on mortgage interest, property taxes, and maintenance costs, and even depreciation. These savings let you reinvest back into your portfolio. Starting real estate journey doesn't require crores. Here is a step by step process you can follow. Step 1, start small. Looking for a single family units, small commercial shops, or even a plot of land. If you are a beginner, start with something manageable. This lets you earn the market and avoid the big mistakes. Step 2, location matters. Look for properties in emerging areas like the outskirts of metros or tier 2 cities with potential for growth. Areas like Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, IT parks are drawing attention and investments, offering huge future potential. Step 3, focus on cash flow. Go for properties that are likely to give you a steady rental income. Don't get lured into properties that are too expensive without enough rental yield to support the mortgage or even maintenance costs. Let's talk about the financing. In India, leveraging a home can be wise since interest rates for home loans ranges between 8 to 9%. But make sure your EMIs are manageable. Ideally, no more than 40% of your monthly income. Once you have built equity in a property, consider using that equity as a down payment for the next property. This is called leveraging, and it is a smart way to grow without needing crores in cash upfront. But remember, this strategy works best when properties values and rental income are strong. So choose your properties carefully. Now, building wealth isn't just one part of the journey. Protecting it and making sure it is easily transferred to the next generations is equally important. Tip 1, create a real estate trust or LLC. Forming a trust, an LLP, limited liability partnership for your real estate assets, can protect them from legal issues. It also simplifies things if you plan to pass on these properties to your children or family. Tip 2, have a clear succession plan. If you have a clear succession plan, it becomes much easier for them to continue managing the properties and growing the family's wealth. So, to sum it up, real estate in India is an incredible tool for building generational wealth by starting small, choosing high growth locations, leveraging loans wisely, and protecting your assets. You can create a legacy that benefits not just you but your family for generations to come. If you found this video helpful and want more tips on real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below with your questions, and check out my free webinar linked below to get started with real estate investing. Let's build that legacy together. See you.